Hello, Internet. I'm Matt Haas. This is Awesome Wood Things. I made this awesome piece of artwork. It started out as a photo. I added all of these other elements to it, cut a mat, made a picture frame. I just love it. I'll tell you more about what this is all about as I show you how I created this artwork. Check it out. I'm cutting red mirrored acrylic on my scroll saw. So what's this all about? There is a channel on Twitch called Making It Up. Elliot and Michelle host it, but they also have a producer that is never seen on camera. The producer's name is Red Human, and the story about that name is funny. Here I'm cutting smaller letters on my CNC machine. This is red opaque acrylic. As I mentioned, the Red Human never appears on camera, but there was this one show where the arm of the Red Human got in front of the camera and there was a long sleeve red hooded sweatshirt, and all the audience could see is this red arm in front of the camera. Someone in the audience on the chat wrote, "Who is Red Human?" And it just sort of stuck from that point forward. Everyone had a laugh and the Red Human was born. Shortly after, a fan of the show drew all of the hosts of Making It Up as cartoons, but since no one ever saw the Red Human's face, the artist chose just to put a computer monitor over the face and put a little smiley face on it. It didn't take long for Elliot and Michelle to create a life-sized helmet that is a computer monitor, and they put LEDs on it, and it's really awesome. And that's what the Red Human wears. If you go to a convention and meet Elliot and Michelle, you'll also see Red Human likely in the full-size computer helmet. I just love how something organic happened on a show from a fan, and it just turned into something awesome. This is what live video is all about. And Twitch is all live shows, mostly live shows. And it's fun to see something on Twitch besides gaming. Elliot and Michelle are artists, and they do a lot of sculpture and model making. It's an eclectic bunch of very creative people. It's a lot of fun. I like it, and I was thrilled I got to meet all of them and snap a picture with Red Human. I also made 2 of these. You can see 2 of them on screen. So Elliot, Michelle, and Red Human, send me your mailing address and I will get one of these out to you. I hope you like it, Internet. I had a lot of fun. Here's a playlist of other things I've made. I have an email newsletter. Go ahead and sign up for that. And I have a lot more awesomeness coming, so be sure and like, subscribe, and click that bell icon. Thanks, Internet.